Okay. How's it like coming back from campus after your Zoom meetings?
Well, after a year being in Zoom meetings, I think it was a perfect time to finally come back to campus. Just because, you miss the atmosphere, you miss having to go to class and meet people in person.
Yeah.
And I think during Zoom, it was pretty hard making friends and being able to have similarities with them. I mean, everybody, it was on their own time, you couldn't hang out, and you were kind of like prohibited to hang out because of the mandate.
Yeah.
But I think coming back to campus now, it's very exciting. You get to meet new people. You get to explore more on campus, mostly for those who are transfers.
Yeah.
I know that they missed last year, and so they're not able to explore like they are this year. So yeah, I think it's pretty good that some classes are open in person, so that way people can be able to get the college experience that they've thought that they've always wanted, or that they've never had.
Okay. Starting timer now. Well, in the meantime, uh, hello, I am Brian Corrales, testing his audio, also interviewing himself because I'm in a bit of a rush, so I'm just going to get this over with without a partner, at least for this mic, because I forgot to check this one out. So, uh, what's my question? Why journalism? Why did I choose journalism? The answer is quite simple. Um, Less math. Okay, 23 seconds. One more question. What is your biggest strength? Well, I'll tell you. It's Tetris. I'm amazing at Tetris. You won't find anybody like me. It's just impossible. I'm just great at Tetris. That alarm really wants to take its time. So